Hey there, and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money through sponsorships and brand deals. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to this episode of Consult the Blind Guy. Today, we're talking about how you can make money through sponsorships and brand deals. Now, what are sponsorships and brand deals? Sponsorships are where a company will contact you or you contact them, and they will either sponsor, pay you for a single episode or multiple episodes, or a longer period of time for your channel or your content that you're creating. Brand deals is essentially the same thing. However, this is a paid promotion where you make money for recommending a specific brand, whether it is a physical product or a service. It's kind of like an affiliate deal, but not exactly 100% the same. Just like with sponsorships, the brand deal will give you a payment for recommending their service or product in your content, whether it's here on YouTube, on Twitch, on Twitter, Facebook, or any other platform that you do, even podcasting. Same across the board when it comes to content creation of all types. A sponsor may pay you, we'll say hypothetically, $100 to do 3 episodes mentioning their company. Now, of course, this is just hypothetical. It could be more, it could be less, and they could have some stipulations of the amount of videos that they want you to do in order for that sponsorship. When it comes to brand deals, it's the same thing. They could ask you to do 1 episode. They could ask you to do 10 episodes. And you'll get paid for recommending their product or service. And you have the option as the content creator to negotiate your deal. Many people have this misconception that if you get a sponsorship or brand deal offer, that whatever they throw at you for your deal is something you must abide by. And I'm here to tell you, no, you don't. If you do not like the stipulations that are within that deal, you can turn them down. You can make a counter offer, or you can tell them to hit the bricks entirely. I recommend that if you're going to do sponsorships or brand deals, that you check out the company first to ensure that it fits into your niche. You don't want to be somebody who does gaming videos and then get a sponsorship or a brand deal that doesn't mesh with your content. For instance, we'll say you're a gamer and you drink Coca-Cola, coffee, tea, things of that nature, but you don't drink alcohol. Now, if a company like Budweiser or Coors or a tequila place were to hit you up and go, hey, we'll sponsor a video or videos of yours if you recommend our drink, we'll pay you to do it. Now, if you're somebody who is not into drinking, why would you want to promote something that you do not use yourself or have any interest in? Get what I'm saying? Now, if you're a gamer, for instance, and you get reached out to by, we'll say, PlayStation or Xbox, or maybe it's DICE, the creators of Battlefield, and they say, hey, we're coming out with a new game in a few months, and we want you as a gamer to mention our brand, DICE, PlayStation, or Xbox, in your videos and we'll pay you to do it, that's a lot better compared to, hey, you're a gamer, we've got an alcoholic beverage that we want you to promote, though we know that you don't drink. Or we'll say that they look at your videos and go, hey, we're interested in doing a sponsorship of your videos, but we want you to immediately mention our brand at the very beginning of your video before you do anything, or we want it to be so long of a promotion within your video in order to pay you. This is tricky because there are some stipulations you're going to be okay with doing. However, you're the one that knows your audience, so you have a better idea of where to place those ads compared to the company. For instance, we'll say you have a 5 to 10 minute video and they want you to put their promotion at the very beginning of your video. So instead of you going, hey, welcome to the show, you'd be like, oh, well, this video is sponsored by such and such a company, and this is their product or service. And then go into, hey, welcome to the show, this is what we're covering today, yada, 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 yada. And that is not going to get you views. That is not going to get that company views. If anything, having a promotion like that at the very beginning of your videos is going to drive your viewers away because they're going to be like, well, this product or service is not of interest. Or why am I watching this paid promotion at the very beginning of the video? This is not why I'm watching this video. It's better for you to be able to look at your analytics and see what your view times are, where people usually drop off. And of course, you also have to factor in how many viewers you get on your live streams and in your videos in order to better understand where to place those promotions at. Now, brand deals, same concept. You don't want to go, hey, well, this video is sponsored by, we'll say, Canva. And the reason that you want to use Canva is yada, 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 yada. And, oh, by the way, welcome to the show. This is what we're doing. And don't forget to go over, check out that deal. That's going to drive people away. Whereas if you're like in the middle of this video now, I could be like, hey, today's video is sponsored by Consult the Blind Guy. You want to check out Consult the Blind Guy because he's got over 100 different businesses that you can start from home right now and ditch the 9-to-5 job. Head on over to consulttheblindguy.com to find out more. See, that would be a better use of that promotion in the video itself, in the middle, or somewhere in the middle of the content rather than at the very beginning. You could also put that promotion more towards the end and have a longer watch time on your videos and potentially still maintain that retention of viewership. Every brand and every sponsor is going to have different stipulations that they want to throw at you, and you have to make the best guess at what is going to work for you as well as for those sponsors or brand deals. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful as a possibility for you as content creators, whether you do video or podcasts, whether you're somebody that does blogging or whatever kind of content it is that you do. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And as I mentioned a moment ago, maybe I have more information that you're interested in over on my blog. Check out consulttheblindguy.com/blog for many different ways for you to be able to start making money from home and online. And if you're interested, you can also buy my book, Income Booster 100 Plus Businesses You Can Start From Home and Ditch the 9 to 5. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, and we'll see you in the next episode. Have a good one.